Okay, let's try to solve this exponential equation. What you'll notice first, hopefully, is we already have the exponential part, whatever is raised to the exponent on one side all by itself on the left-hand side. So we don't have to do any extra work to get that on one side by itself. The next thing we should go ahead and do is we can either use the definition of logarithm to convert this to logarithmic form, or what I tend to choose to do is apply a logarithm to both sides. So each side is going to get plugged into, I'm going to choose a common log in this case. You could just as easily use a natural log if you're trying to use your calculator on this, but I used a common log on both sides. Next, what I'm going to go ahead and do is bring my exponent down in front and make it a multiple out in front. All right, because it's attached to everything on the inside of that log, we can say x multiplied by log of 2 is equal to the log of negative 100. And now x is being multiplied by a number. Log of 2 is a number. So to isolate it, get it on one side all by itself, we'll divide both sides by that log of 2. All right, on the left-hand side, log of 2 over log of 2 simplifies down and makes a 1. So we've isolated the x on the left-hand side all by itself. But we do run into a little bit of a problem on the right-hand side. What you should notice here is something kind of special going on. We have a negative number on the inside of a logarithmic function. And that's not allowed, unfortunately. Remember, can't take the log of a negative number. It's not in the domain of a logarithmic function. So in this case, we'd say does not exist. We'd stop here and say, oh, that's a problem, or no solution. And if you tried to put it into your calculator, you'd get an error message saying, oh, something's wrong here, maybe a domain error along the way. So I hope this helps out as you're working on solving logarithmic equations.